After 60, why do aches last? Why does recovery feel slower now? Could your bones be thinning quietly? Could your meals miss key builders? If yes, we can fix this starting today. Food is a daily bone signal. Not perfect food. Eat properly and regularly. Today I share a simple plan for stronger bones, fewer aches. No extreme diet, no confusion. Stay to the end for template. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Quick note: this is education only. Ask your clinician for personal advice, especially with kidney issues or stones. Also, if you take blood thinners. Bones are living tissue, not stone. Your bones rebuild every single day. They respond to small daily signals. They also respond to your stress. They respond to your sleep quality. And they respond to your movement. But food is the easiest lever, because you eat every single day. Calcium is only one small piece. Think framework, bricks, and builders. Protein builds the strong framework first. Minerals are the bricks for strength. Vitamins guide where minerals should go. Aches are not just old age. Often it is inflammation and weakness, or stiff tissues and poor sleep. So we use 3 simple levers. Build bone, support muscle, calm inflammation. Protein is the foundation. After 60, protein supports muscle around your joints. Strong muscles protect bones from falls. Falls are what break fragile bones. Many seniors undereat protein daily. Appetite drops. Chewing becomes harder too. Cooking feels tiring, especially alone. So we keep protein very simple. Aim for protein at each meal. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner each day. Not huge portions, just steady rhythm. Your body uses it better spread out, so avoid one big protein dinner. Start strong at breakfast whenever possible. Eggs are a simple breakfast anchor. Greek yogurt is another easy anchor. Cottage cheese can work very well. If dairy works, use it smart. If dairy bothers you, choose alternatives. Choose fortified soy, not sugary types. For lunch, try chicken or tofu. For dinner, fish works very well. Beans and lentils count as protein. They also bring magnesium and fiber. Fiber supports gut health and inflammation. A healthier gut can reduce pain. Calcium matters, but food comes first. Food calcium is gentler on digestion. It also brings other helpful minerals. Use milk, yogurt, or kefir often. Cheese is fine in moderation. Try canned salmon with soft bones. Try sardines with bones, if tolerated. Calcium-set tofu is a strong choice. Greens help too, especially kale. Bok choy and collards are excellent. Broccoli and Brussels sprouts also help. Spinach is healthy, but less absorbable. So do not rely on spinach alone. If you avoid dairy, plan carefully. Choose fortified milk alternatives with calcium. Read labels for calcium and vitamin D. Avoid low-calcium plant milks often. Fortified options make this much easier. Vitamin D helps calcium do its job. Without D, absorption can drop greatly. Vitamin D supports muscle strength as well. Low D can mean weaker legs. Weaker legs raise your fall risk. Sunlight helps, but many stay low, especially in winter or indoors. Food sources exist, but limited. Fatty fish is the best source. Fortified milk can help a little. Egg yolks add a small amount. Supplements may help, but individualized. Ask your clinician if you're unsure. Also ask about a blood test. That can guide safer dosing decisions. Too much D is not better. The goal is steady, not extreme. Magnesium and vitamin K support bones. Magnesium supports bones, muscles, and sleep. Low magnesium can cause more cramps. It can increase stiffness and twitching. Get it from pumpkin seeds daily. Almonds and cashews help as well. Beans, lentils, and whole grains help. Avocado and leafy greens also help. Use unsweetened cocoa, not sugary drinks. Vitamin K guides calcium into bones. Greens like kale are rich in K. Broccoli and Brussels sprouts are strong. If you take warfarin, be careful. Do not change vitamin K suddenly. Keep intake steady. Talk with doctor. Consistency protects you more than swings. Small steady habits beat big changes. Calm inflammation to quiet daily aches. Inflammation makes pain feel much louder. Lower the noise. Pain feels quieter. Start with omega-3 fats often. Fatty fish is best for omega-3. Aim for fish twice each week. Salmon, sardines, anchovies, or mackerel. If you hate fish, use flax. Use chia seeds and walnuts to eat colorful plants for recovery support. Berries and cherries help many people. Tomatoes and peppers add protection. Use ginger and turmeric in meals. Use garlic often for flavor too. Small daily doses make a difference. Also choose olive oil more often. Swap out butter some of the time. That can reduce inflammatory load too, and it supports heart health as well. Reduce the foods that steal strength. Added sugar increases inflammation signals. It can worsen collagen repair over time. Collagen supports tendons and joint comfort. Plan sweets. Don't let sweets drift. Sometimes is fine. Nightly becomes pattern. Watch sweet drinks and sweet coffees. Liquid sugar spikes your system quickly. Excess sodium can increase calcium loss. Processed foods are the biggest source. Lower sodium with smart strategies. Use frozen vegetables for easy meals. Choose low-salt beans when possible. Season with lemon, herbs, and garlic. Use salt at table, not factory. Also avoid eating too little daily. Low intake means low building materials. Then bone rebuild slows down quietly. So choose nutrient-dense bites each day. Protein, minerals, and healthy fats matter. Alcohol can also weaken bone building. If you drink, keep it modest. Never use alcohol as a sleep tool. It disrupts sleep later in night. Use for anchors to stay consistent. First, protein anchor at every meal. Second, calcium choices 2 times daily. Third, color twice per day minimum. 1 color at lunch, 1 dinner. Fourth, hydration through the whole day. Dehydration increases stiffness and cramps. Water supports tissues and joint comfort. These anchors stop overthinking completely. They keep you steady and calm. Write them on a simple note. Put it on your fridge door. When you feel overwhelmed, follow anchors. Anchors reduce stress and decision fatigue. Here is your one-day eating template breakfast. Greek yogurt with berries works. Add ground flax or chia too. Add a few walnuts for crunch. That gives protein, calcium, and omega. If dairy bothers you, choose soy. Choose fortified soy yogurt for calcium. Or eat 2 eggs with greens. Kale or bok choy works great. Add toast if you want energy. Lunch. Build a bone-friendly plate. Half vegetables, quarter protein, quarter fiber. Make a salad with beans added. Top with canned salmon with bones. Add olive oil and lemon juice. No fish today. Use tofu instead. Add pumpkin seeds for magnesium boost. Dinner, Eat earlier if you can. Lighter dinner supports better sleep too. Try baked salmon or baked tofu. Add roasted vegetables on the side. Add a small portion of brown rice. Or make lentil soup for dinner. Add carrots, celery, and onions. Stir in kale near the end. Top with yogurt for creaminess. Snacks. Choose options that support you. Nuts, cottage cheese, boiled eggs work. Hummus with carrots is very good. Kefir can work if tolerated. Fruit is fine. Pear with protein that keeps blood sugar more stable. Morning aches have a simple pattern. Morning pain is often stiffness, not damage. Nighttime makes joints feel more tight. Less movement means less joint lubrication. Dehydration can worsen morning stiffness too. So start with water after waking, then add protein at breakfast soon. Warm foods can relax stiff tissues. Try soup, oatmeal, or warm tea, but add protein to oatmeal too. Use yogurt, milk, or protein powder. Then move gently for 5 minutes. Try ankle circles and slow marches. Try shoulder rolls and easy breathing. Gentle movement is a pain dial. It tells nerves you are safe, and it improves blood flow quickly. Over weeks, mornings can feel easier, not perfect, but clearly improved. Eating out can still support bones. Restaurants often hide sugar and salt, but you can still eat smartly. Start by choosing a protein-based chicken, fish, tofu, or beans. Then add to vegetable sides. Ask for sauce on the side. That cuts sodium and sugar quickly. Choose grilled, baked, or steamed options. Avoid fried foods most of the time. Order water first before anything else. If you want dessert, share it or choose fruit when available. Do not aim for perfect choices. Aim for one smart upgrade each time. One upgrade, repeated, changes your outcomes. Quick answers to common senior questions. Do you need collagen supplements daily? Some benefit, but base matters more. Protein and vitamin C build collagen. Eat citrus, peppers, berries, or kiwi. Should you take calcium pills daily? Food first, pills only if needed. Big pills can cause constipation sometimes. They may raise stone risk in some. Talk with your clinician about dosing. Split doses can be gentler too. Also remember, movement supports bones strongly. Even 5 minutes helps your stiffness. A short indoor walk is enough. Chair marching is great on bad days. Gentle movement plus food works best. Sleep is also a healing medicine. Protect sleep to reduce pain sensitivity. Your mindset matters more than perfection. Your body is not failing you, it is asking for better signals. You do not need perfect eating, you need repetition and consistency. Miss a day, don't start over, continue at the very next meal. Less stress also lowers pain sensitivity. Use this simple daily checklist. Protein each meal, calcium twice daily. To colors, omega foods, drink water. Do this for steady weeks, then notice how your body feels. More steady, more confident, more strong. You deserve strength and independence daily. You still matter, deeply, right now, and now let's close together. That's today's video. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, tap like. Please subscribe to support this channel. It helps YouTube share this message, so more seniors can feel stronger. If you have questions, comment below. Share your suggestions, we read them. So we improve our future videos. We are extremely grateful for that. Stay healthy, stay strong, my friend.